Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're going to try a recipe that I saw on Pinterest forever ago and have been wanting to try. It is kind of an Italian style wrap. Let's go.
Okay, first up we are going to slice up some tomatoes, pull off the stems, and I'm just going to quarter these for now because we are going to chop some more later, but I do want to get them started. We got our tomatoes quartered. And then I'm gonna slice up a red onion. And I may end up only using half of this onion. I am gonna make quite a lot so that I can have lunches for the next few days. But I don't want too much to where I don't eat it and it goes bad. Yeah, I think I'll do a whole red onion because I've got quite a lot of lettuce. All right, we're gonna just kind of pile this all together. And then I'm gonna go in with pre-shredded lettuce just because it's easier. I'll just do one whole package of that. I actually bought two, so now I'm gonna have to make a salad. Now this ingredient wasn't in the Pinterest video that I saw, but I love the crunch of these cucumbers. So I'm gonna add a couple of those in with this as well. Just rough chunks because it's going to get chopped up along with everything else. So I'll probably do 2 or 3 cucumbers. Up next I have some banana peppers that are sliced into like rings. So I'm going to add a nice helping of those. And again, another one that wasn't in the Pinterest video, but I love pepperoncini peppers. So I grabbed some sliced ones of those. So it just has slightly different flavors from the banana peppers. I think they're a little bit more acidic and a little more spicy. So I'm gonna add some of those. Next up, we're gonna do the meats and cheeses. So this is just deli ham and I have honey ham. I think I'm gonna go in with just a little bit more ham just because I love honey cured ham. Or this is uncured, but it's honey ham. Then we're gonna go in with some salami. I feel like I'm making a pizza. Then we're going in with some pepperoni. And then finally on top, some provolone cheese. And then I'm just gonna go in and start roughly chopping everything together. And this is gonna take a little bit, but it's gonna be so worth it. And I'm just gonna use this pastry scraper, this bench scraper, to kind of help mix everything so that I can get an even chop. So I'm just gonna take my time and just finely chop everything in the pile until it's small like I want it. Okay, now that I have this chopped, I'm gonna go in with a drizzle of olive oil, and this is actually rosemary infused olive oil. Then a drizzle of red wine vinegar. This is my favorite. A nice big pinch of salt, some black pepper, a little pinch of garlic powder, my homegrown green pepper flakes. They were just red pepper flakes that didn't fully ripen, so they're just green cayenne. And then just a light sprinkling of Italian seasoning. That's got things like thyme, rosemary, oregano, stuff like that. And then finally a big dollop of mayonnaise. I'm using Miracle Whip because I like it better. Sorry if you disagree. So I'm gonna scrape all this into a bowl just to make it easier to mix. And we're just gonna mix until the mayonnaise and the vinegar and the oil are all combined. This already smells so good, and I love how colorful it is. It's like a rainbow. All right, now we're gonna put it on a sun-dried tomato wrap. So we'll take a nice big scoop, and then we'll attempt to roll it without everything squeezing out of the side. And then we'll just cut it in half. Oh, look at that. Let's give it a taste test.
Okay, it is time for a taste test, so let's see how we did. That is so fresh and zingy from the vinegar. all of the veggies in there are so crunchy. They're just delicious. So I'm definitely gonna have this more often for lunch. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.